taking some two little bread and little vegetable. She came to the school, had sports. But seeing the mom is coming, the boy jumped the wall and went away. The poor mom has to ask everyone, have you seen my son? Have you seen my son? They all say, he was here only. He jumped and went away. Now when he came, the boy said, so, why you are not dying? Why you are alive? You came to my school to bring your wretched face? Is no end of your stupidity? Mother didn't say anything. You must be hungry. Take this. He ate it. Time rolled. Daddy was working very hard. Daddy make him do graduation, post-graduation. He made a passport and went to Australia. Then no news for him. And mother kept on thinking, why there is no news? But some person keeps on coming and going. They brought a news that he is married with an Australian lady, father of the 2 kids. Mother had a charm. I must go and see. What is the total idea of my life? To see him happy. Once I see him happy, then my life is over. She made all effort to get her own passport, visa. And she landed in Australia. Knocked the door. 2 young kids came out, 4 years, 5 years. They were never seen a lady like this with a black cloth, with one eye and hairs are like that. Uncombed, ragged. They screamed so very badly. Wife was not knowing who is this lady, but the son was knowing. The husband was knowing. The father was knowing. He banged the door on the head of the lady. You are not allowing us to stay peacefully here also. Get out! Hey, door was banged on her head. She came back. After some time, she passed away. But after some time, the local school people, they wanted to make a renovation of the local school. So they returned to every one of them, the old students, those who were well-to-do, send some money. We want to make a renovation of the school. We like to have a science department, computer department, a good library, good auditorium, and plenty of people came, plenty of money came. A function was organized. This boy also came. He didn't go to his house. But the 3rd day he felt, I must go. And he came. He found a small little house was almost dying, dilapidated. He asked the neighbor, no one is staying here? No, my lady used to stay. Her son is in Australia. We were thinking that function will come. He must have come, I don't know, he said so. Where is the lady? She died. Oh, she died. But before dying, she has given one letter to me. In case you find that son, oh yes, yes, I know him. Give that letter. He had a courage to see this in the flight. The letter says, my dear child, I wish and pray all your happiness. My mission, my life was only for you to see you happy. And I have seen you happy, so I am dying now peacefully. But before dying, I would like to confess. Number 1, you said that why you came to school. You are bringing a bad name to you. And why I am not dying? How can I die? If I die, who will feed you? If I die, who will look after you? If I die, who will make you a big man? My mission is that. Let the up and down come. Let the cloud and rain and thunder. Only I have to do is to say that tum kuch ban jao. You kindly pardon me for my indecency. Now second thing you are asking me, tum kyun kaani hai? Why you are blind? I am helpless. You were very notorious at your child age. Playing all the time some tir kaman and you have lost one of your eyes. And doctor suggested if someone can give eye, so I have given my eye to you. Now, you are asking why I am with one eye? I am helpless. I don't want to tell all these stories. But you should not feel sorry at the time after my death. But still, before dying also, I would like to apologize if I brought any pain or a strain to your sweet wife and children. I had no idea, no liking to fear them. Only I wanted to see you happy. And after coming back from your place, I went house to house and door to door with a bulb and a candle to say, oh, my son is married to a beautiful wife, beautiful children. That is the mission of my life I have completed. I am taking your kind leave, your wretched mother. Imagine, what is share? What is care? We think that it is a moral duty of the mom and dad. You're all blessed one to stay in India, born in India. So mom and dad is taking care of you. There's an Anupam mission in Ananda. They have completed their 25 years of functioning in Allentown in America. And then so many young kids, those were 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, now they are 25 years, 28 years, born and brought up in America, they came on a stage so saying so. Gujarati, man, pure Gujarati, an American tongue. હું તો બહુ જ ગંદો છોકરો હતો. બધા જ ગંદા ધંધા કરતો હતો. કોઈ પણ સારું કામ નહીં કરતો. ભૂંડથી પણ ખરાબ હતો. મારા બાપા, my father brought me to Sahibji. Sahibji said so, kick him out. I was afraid. How I will go out? Because all my friends, black and white, the Afro-American guys, they can sleep on a footpath. They can work as a masonry. They can work as a electricity repairer persona. They can eat some thrown bread and butter. I can't. I told, kindly pardon me. The Sahib said so. Obey your father. Be a gentleman. Be a human being. હવે હું સુધર્યો છું. You see, the share and care is to bring a light in someone's life. Is someone who is in a drug, someone who is in a cocaine, someone who is in a gambling, don't hate. Love them. Give them your heart. Give them in a hug. Give them in a warmth. Why they have become like that? What is the principal cause? Some 4 or 5 months before, we had one young man of 28 years old, sometime midday, 11 o'clock or so. And he said, I would like to see you. A gentleman who was sitting outside my room, he said, so, Swami, allow him to come. Swami, teach me meditation. He had 2 big golden bracelets, and practically like a Vijay Mallya. All fingers and a thumb seed, all rings. I don't know. So many ग्रह हमको सताए नहीं. आप ग्रह को कितना सताता है? All varieties of green and red and blue and yellow. You want to learn meditation? Yes. You do one thing. We are having, tomorrow is the first. Dr. Snehal Amin will be conducting a yoga class. You come in the morning class. Attend for 1 or 2 months. Learn some pranayama. And I will talk to you and teach meditation also. What is wrong with you, Swami? Why are waking up people at midnight? Sabere 5:30 is a midnight. So I told, normally what time you get up? Today I had an early up. What's early up? Because I wanted to see you, so I have come quickly. Normally what time you get up? Maybe 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. I say, I also get up at 3 o'clock, but AM, not PM. He had 2 big mobiles. I myself is mobile only. Mukesh Bhai said, I know your mobile. I said, I am mobile. I said, give me your dad's number. He must be sleeping. Give me your mom's number. He may be up. Why you want to talk to them? Give. I asked, kindly come both of you, I would like to see you. I asked this boy, what you are doing? Nothing. What's your age? 28? What's your dad is doing? He is in a hotel owner. A partnership. Whole night he is sitting. So daytime he is sleeping. Why can't you help him in a hotel? मैं तो 2-4 दफे चोरी मार लिया. 2-4 दफे चोरी मार लिया. And many things what he said, I can't talk to you. It's such a shameful matter. Why it is like that? You all, dear darlings, you all give a birth to your children. You are given a birth to children. Are you giving a life to them? Ask this very serious question. There is an instrument for a music. Musical instrument is an instrument for the music. It is not a music. You have to create swaras. Shadaja, Rishabha, Gandhar, Madhyam, Pancham, Daivata, Nishada, Vadi, Samvadi, Shuddha, Varjita. Then the raga comes. Alayya, Bilawal, then comes. Kalavati comes. The raga comes. You have to create a music out of it. The parents have given birth to us, not the life. Life you have to create and find it out in life. And that is the struggle for a perfection. Stand boldly. Be bold. Be courageous. Don't spend your time in idle gossiping and scandal backbitings. Running around here and there. To share and care, first you have to share some good thing with your own self. Care, take personal care first. Ask your own self, who am I? Ask your own self, what is the ultimate aim of this body, my birth? It's not like a punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani, jatare, shainam, yasamsare, kaludustare, kripya pare, pahi murare. No! Oh, Kabir said so. Saba pancha gaj, kapade mangaye, isame kaya chupai. Le chalo, sab koi bole, sachi Ram sagai. 5th October was the birthday of a young lady named Pankhudi Gupta in Ludhiana. Last year she married on the 5th October on her birthday with a gentleman Yash Gupta, Yash Agrawal in Hyderabad. They are known to us, the family known to us since 1976 to me, because I'm a regular visitor to the Punjab Agriculture University. This year, husband and wife, the newlywed couple, 1 year over, to spend a time in Phuket. in Thailand. Boat becomes toppled upside down. They both were died. Girl is 26, boy is 27. I don't know the Ludhiana news comes here or not. So painful. They spent 30 crore rupees for the marriage. For what you are having a ego? अपने खातिर महल बनाया आप ही जाकर जंगल सोया इस तन धन की अरे give think every day today is my last day, let me do the best what I can do to you all. That is what is there. Before you sleep, what Mukesh Bhai said, so the giver and the taker will be restless and the giver will be having a peaceful mind. वो खा करके खुशी होगा, ये सो करके खुशी होगा. How it's possible? Because when you give, you feel relaxed. त्यागेन एकेन अमृतत्वमानसु न कर्मणा न प्रजया न धनेन. All this karma or your chelas and children and big department and big things or money, nothing will give you peace. Tyage nekena. Give, share, care. More and more you give, more you will be happy. Where there is a pressure of the air is less, there only the hurricane comes. When you empty, you see, you must have tried to put a tube to press. When air goes out, it becomes empty, then only the in comes up. Empty yourself. Kone tap kino basuri. Oh, flute. What is the secret? That you are all the time in the hands of the Krishna, the heart of the Krishna. You go to the lips of Krishna. The Radha says, occasionally we see him. Touching is a great matter. Hug beyond imagination. Bringing a lips to lips. What is the secret? The flute said so. I have emptied myself. I don't keep anything with me. I have shared and shared. I have cared and cared. I don't have anything of mine. I don't speak even to. Very essential. When you want to share something, better to keep quiet. Because many a time, Swamiji, may I help you? I say, yes. How? Please go out. That is the best. Arey, sir dard kar raha hai, bada karta hai. The flute said so. They don't have any knots. A flute is made of the bamboo. There are no knots are there. Flute says, I don't say anything. What raga the Krishna wants to listen, he plays by himself. How it is so? You become humble. In case you want to share and care, your first qualification, to become a humble, to become a noble, to become a simple, and a total understanding, total commitment. If the dedication is not there, if the devotion is not there, if the discrimination is not there, if commitment is there, not there, then the share and care is not possible. The total commitment. And another thing, Krishna said so. I am sharing this with you, with all care. 9th chapter, 1st stanza. Idam tu te guhyatamam pravakshami. Anaswaya, let's speak with me. Thoda so much jago. Bolo. Idam tu te guhyatamam pravakshami anasuyave. Idam tu te, here it is. Guhyatamam is a superlative degree. Guhyatara, guhyatamam. Superlative degree, guhyatamam, pravakshami, I am sharing with you, with all care. Why? Because you are pure within. You become a pure, the whole world will be for you to share and care. Very essential matter. Niva ho ke chal de, niviyanu rab milda, Punjabi they say so. Sadaji, Sasrikal ji. Nivi hoi mira bai te, jher pyala bar ke khai, Onu miliyate Krishna murarake niviyanu. Try to become more humble, more simple, as I told you. Mira was so simple and noble. The Krishna was running for him. Yes. It is not that Mira went for the Krishna was moving here. It is how it is so. Because vinamrata, very essential. Now it is a season for the ticomas. Ticomas, it comes in bunches, yellow flower. All branches comes down. You must have seen a small little birds comes. A blackbird goes inside to shuck and enjoys. And after that, sitting on the branch, he will go on zooming over there. Sharing and caring. What's that? I give you a beauty. I give you a joy. And those who want to really share and care, they have to do something that I have to lose something for myself. What you can lose? Identity, I told you. Our Harivansh Rai Bachchan's very famous poem says so. पेड़ों पर बैठी चिड़िया ने कहा, हमसे तो तुम्हारी शोभा है। मुस्काई कलियां, इठलाई भी, रहने भी दो, खिलती है हम, पनपते हैं तभी तो ये भ्रूम। हंसती हुई पत्तियों ने कहा, रे तुम तो आते हो ऋतु ऋतु में, 12 महीने तो हम ही सदा स्वागत। डालियों ने कहा, चुप रहो, न होते हम तो पनपते कहां तुम। तना बोलता है, राम राम, वजन तो पूरा मैं सह रहा हूं, तुम इठलाए जा रहे हो। जड़ ने कहा, अच्छा है मैं नहीं बोलूं, केवल मुस्कान। Those who want to share, those who want to care, they don't need any adambara, they don't need any glamour, they don't need any show. They should be, I don't mind to bury. Is a beautiful card you must be having in your hand of AMA program. And today before coming here, we were in a boardroom. There are 6 chairs there and 8 chairs there. And the top chair center was empty. I was sitting in one side. And Radhaji was there. Mukesh Bhai said, Beach mein baitho Swami ji, VIP chair. I said, no. You are great. I say, you are great. Because there 6 pictures are there, 7 pictures are there. सबसे नीचे मुकेश भाई का पिक्चर, नीचे से हटा दो कारपेट, सब गिर जाएगा भाई। हाँ, ये बहुत the foundation. You are strong. So those who want to share, those who want to care, they should not think of their name or a fame. Those who want to share, those who want to care, they should know only to that it is my total renunciation. It is my total surrender. Punjabi ch kehte matha take. Bolo sab. Matha take. Keep your ego down. Sir under. Sir is Hindi and under is English. Sir under. Then only you can do this. Very essential. Unless until you keep your ego down, you cannot share. You cannot. You see, go to the Burma. Today also go to the Burma. Those who are giving, they don't give like this. They kneel down. They sit like this. They ask you, take from the top. What a beautiful thing. When Kabir Das was giving a charity, he used to keep his head down and giving. He never wanted to see anyone's face that who is taking from me. What a great thing. So more and more you try to see sharing and giving, you will. I was talking to Krishna Kanhaiya, K.K. Nair sir. I say, who is the best manager? The manager is what? He is the manager. No one should know that who is the manager. And everything should go smooth. Because he was asking, so many days you were absent, Swamiji. I say, yes. But your ashram is some big function. I say, so what? Ashram can have a function. My presence is not necessary. How? Because I said, I am a good manager. That's all. So when you don't keep yourself in the front, no, keep the last. More and more we think like that about the share and care. What we can think like this. How it can be beautified. How it can be. You see, a very, very small matter I will tell you. You know the name of the Karna? Say yes or no? Yes. Karna was known for his charity. Yes. Is there any temple of the Karna in Ahmedabad? In Gujarat? Australia? Nowhere. Okay. Yudhishthir. You know the name of Yudhishthir? Is he Dharmaraja? His temples are there? No. But Veerpur Jalaram Bapa? You go to London, there is a place known as a Bristol. From the Heathrow, it is a 3 hours drive, is a Bristol University. From Bristol, 3.5 hours is a Skandervale. You go to the Skandervale, 4 roads becomes 2, then 1, then a small street going up. The Durga's beautiful temple is there in the mountain. There is no charity box, but they give a roti dal bhat shak. Why? Because Jalabapa is standing there also. Why? Because he shared and he cared. Yudhishthira has given up his own wife for जुआ में हार गया. And Jalaram Baba, Buddha Lati wala, Pagadi wala, he says, you are an old man, you need someone. If you want, I don't mind. If she want to go, I don't say no. Okay, take her. And then, around the globe, wherever Jalaram Baba's temples are there,